daily news brought to you by Metals Update, the driving force behind your business. I'm Kopal Chima from the Mumbai office on 2nd August 2017. In steel and iron ore, China's surging steel sector is pulling iron ore along. Steel prices in Shanghai received a boost on Monday, which continued on Tuesday and Wednesday as China's Purchasing Managers Index for the sector climbed to 54.9 in July from 54.1 in June, marking the third consecutive month that the indicator was above the 50 level that demarcates expansion from contraction. The steel PMI was at its highest in 14 months, which boosted benchmark Shanghai steel rebar futures to settle at 3,789 yuan on Monday, increasing about 2.7% from previous trading day's price. On Wednesday, the Chinese rebar futures settled at 3,864 yuan, observing an increase of 0.47% from Tuesday's settlement price of 3,846 yuan per ton. China's domestic iron ore futures on the Dalian Commodity Exchange enjoyed strong gains of about 5% on Monday by settling at 554.5 yuan and continued the increase by 3.42% on Tuesday, which then remained constant on Wednesday with the settlement price of 573.5 yuan. China's iron ore imports were up 9.3% at 539.3 million tons in the first 6 months of the year compared to the same period in 2016, according to official figures. But imports from the main suppliers were not up by as much as the overall gain, with imports from Australia, Brazil and South Africa rising marginally. Instead, much of the rise in imports by China came from non-traditional markets such as India, which was a massive up by 151.5%, Iran with a 56% gain and Sierra Leone with a jump of 115.2%. If iron ore's rally continues, it's likely that miners in such countries will look to produce more and ship it to China. India is currently exporting iron ore with Fe 63% content to China at a price between $65 to $70 a ton. Most companies will increase volumes if prices go above $80. China's own mines also appear to be ramping up production, with output rising 5% in June from a year earlier to a 20-month high of 124.7 million tons according to official figures. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development's Iron Ore Market Report states that despite soft Chinese consumption and low prices for most of the year, a late surge meant the iron ore industry saw gains in production and export. The report stated that global iron ore production grew 5% year-on-year in 2016, hitting a total of 2,106 million tons. This was primarily driven by an additional 30 million tons of direct shipping ore from Australia, which was the major source of new fine products entering the Chinese market. In coal, in a consultative statement issued to Tokyo's Industry Ministry, Environment Minister Koichi Yamamoto warned that Chubu Electric's plan for a 1.07 gigawatt plant in central Japan should be re-examined if the utility cannot map out concrete steps to cut carbon emissions by 2030 and later. The statement complicates life for Japan's power industry as it seeks to build new coal-fired power capacity to compensate for its nuclear sector being still mostly shut down in the wake of the 2011's Fukushima disaster. Chubu Electric currently plans to begin building the new coal-fired unit at its existing Taketoyo plant site next year. In international offers, Iranian origin steel billet FI-SP is being offered at FOB 457 to 460 US dollars per metric ton. Chinese origin UPN 300 commercial grade is being offered at 690 US dollars per metric ton, CFR Bandar Abbas, Iran. Turkish origin UPN 300 commercial grade is being offered at FOB 570 US dollars per metric ton. Spanish origin UPN 300 commercial grade X-Works Jebel Ali Dubai is being offered at 695 US dollars per metric ton. In domestic ferrous offers, Metals Update assessed offers of MS scrap from Mandi Gobindgarh market at Rs 19,800 per ton, while MS ingot at Mandi Gobindgarh is being quoted at Rs 28,800 per ton. At Raipur and Bhavnagar, MS ingot offers have been recorded at Rs 25,800 and Rs 27,000 per ton respectively. In domestic non-ferrous offers, Metals Update assess spot offers of aluminium ingot from Delhi market at rupees 137 per kg. Copper mix scrap is being offered at rupees 352 per kg and zinc ingot is being offered at rupees 201 per kg on Wednesday. Thank you for watching. Join us again tomorrow for latest updates from the metals market. Visit metalsupdate.com for more information and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day ahead.